Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make salad and grow a garden. First, select a prime location for your garden, ensuring it receives a minimum of 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. Next, conduct a soil test to understand its current nutrient profile and pH. Then, enrich your soil with organic compost, aiming for a rich, well-draining foundation. Finally, meticulously plan your garden's layout, considering plant spacing and beneficial companion plantings for optimal growth. Once your garden bed is ready, it is time to plant. Choose salad greens that thrive in your local climate, like crisp lettuce or peppery arugula. Plant your seeds or seedlings at the recommended depth and spacing to give them room to flourish. Provide consistent watering, ensuring they receive approximately 1 inch of water weekly. Implement organic pest control methods, such as neem oil, to keep your greens healthy and vibrant throughout their growing cycle. Harvesting at the right time ensures maximum flavor and encourages continuous growth. For leafy greens, pick the outer leaves when they are a usable size, letting the inner leaves continue to develop. The best time to harvest is in the morning, after the dew has evaporated, for peak freshness. Gently wash your produce under cool, running water. Store your freshly picked greens in an airtight container with a damp paper towel in the refrigerator for extended crispness. Now for the best part, assembling your delicious salad. Start with a base of diverse greens from your garden for varied textures and tastes. Incorporate a rainbow of colorful vegetables, such as ripe tomatoes and crisp cucumbers, for added nutrients. Boost your salad's substance with a protein source like grilled chicken or hearty chickpeas. Finish with a light, homemade vinaigrette to complement, not overpower, the fresh flavors of your garden's bounty.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.